Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter the pairing mode on your JBL Live 460 headphones. So take a look. I cannot find my headphones on available devices list, but they are turned on. So to do this, we have to activate the pairing mode and we have to grab the right headphone and we have to find this Bluetooth button. We have to click on it once. And right now, this indicator starts blinking. It means that we are successfully in the pairing mode right now. So what you have to do, just simply restart Bluetooth on your device. In this case, I'm using smartphone. So turn it off for a few seconds and then turn it on back. Right now, just find your JBL Live headphones on the list and click on them once. Accept the pairing. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.